Alright, this is one of the videos I've been meaning to do for y'all. This is a 357 pellet gun. Okay, now this baby, you see the damage that it just did. You see that hole in there? This baby here is something serious. Okay. This baby here, something serious. Alright. What it is, it's the ammo. The ammo that you put in here, depending on the ammo that you put in here, is what's going to give you the power. This is the ammo that you put in there, baby. Gold flights. Gold flights. Get you some gold flights. Get you some fast flights. These things are $99 at Dick's. Okay, $100 at Dick's. This is basically 22 mini. This is basically a 22 mini. So this is a 22, but even smaller. That's what I call them. All right. These I happen to get. Where did I get these? I think I got these at Walmart. Got these at Walmart. They're called Gold Flights. They just happen to be on the shelf at Walmart. They just happen to be on the shelf at Walmart. I got everything they had. They had like 10 boxes or 9 boxes. I got every box. All right. And this is a nice weapon right here. Trust me. This is a nice little weapon right here. Okay. You press this here and it releases. Okay. You press this in the front and it pushes the bullets up. Okay. And this take pellets and BBs. Okay. And when it pushes it up, you could take out the whole bullet if you want. This part here is fake. This part here is fake. It's just a cylinder. What I just put in there is the real bullets. These here. These are the real bullets right here. Alright. Push that back. Right here, you got safety. You see the S for safety. And then fire. And then you hit it again. And then this will open the cylinders. Alright. You could pull a hammer back if you want. You don't have to. But it does help it a little bit. But this baby here, something serious. 6 shots. 6 shots. Alright. Anyhow, I'm gonna do one more round and I'm gonna hit the barbecue grill. Y'all gonna see the damn dents that it put in that damn barbecue grill, boy. I'm talking about some serious dents. Alright. Now, I want to do a video where it penetrates. It actually penetrates. If I use my rifle, my pellet rifle, it'll definitely penetrate. But the handgun, it's not going to penetrate. But man, it's going to bust that thing up. Now, if a human got hit like this, hit with this, be messed up. Especially in the face and the eyes, be real messed up. And you could definitely kill rodents and deers with this. Small game. Baby is serious. Alright, peace, y'all. Oh, for those that are really serious and interested in my outdoor life, I'm gonna be doing these videos at Dragon Manifest Outdoors. Again, I'm gonna be doing a lot of gun videos, a lot of outdoor videos at Dragon Manifest Outdoors. Matter of fact, I'm gonna put this video on Dragon Manifest Outdoors, but I'm gonna let y'all know on a regular channel that I uploaded the video. Alright, so Dragon Manifest Outdoors. Alright, peace.